the good news is we are recycling more, but it's getting more pricey to do it since China stopped buying a lot of our recyclables. Cities and towns are struggling now under the weight of all of that garbage. But one state just passed a new law that could help. Diana Olick joins us from Portland, Maine, with the latest. Diana.
Yeah, Sarah, Maine's new state law will shift that burden of rising costs from recycling from taxpayers to companies large and small, from Amazon to Walmart to small Maine local businesses. It requires companies that produce packaging to pay into a fund to recycle it. The fund then reimburses local municipalities.
What that does is creates economic incentives for the producers of packaging to create less packaging, to offer more reusable packaging options, and make what packaging we do have left recyclable.
But some of the largest sellers of packaged goods, Maine grocers, warn it could actually increase prices for consumers.
The retailers are concerned in general about overall inflation rates and price hikes and what that means for the overall cost of goods and what folks are bringing home in their shopping carts.
But some big multinational companies are already on board. More than 150, including Coca-Cola, Unilever, and Walmart, recently signed a pledge saying to solve the packaging, waste, and pollution crisis, there must be mandatory programs in which all industry players introducing packaging to the market provide funding dedicated to collecting and processing their packaging after its use. Now, the state of Oregon has a similar law going through its legislature, and we're expecting that the Maine law will serve as a template for the rest of the nation. Back to you guys.
Well, that's sort of what I was wondering, Diana, is how these companies are responding to this, because it's a great idea in theory because it incentivizes them to be innovative with their materials and try to reduce their own packaged waste. But are they so they're on board with it? Or if we saw this scale to more states, would they end up fighting it because it would be such a big cost?
Yeah. I mean, look, some of them were lobbying against the law, to be sure, but a lot of companies do want to be greener. They want to see more recycling. And also, the U.S. is really far behind. Most of the European Union, as well as Japan, and a lot of Canada already have this, where the producers pay for the recycling of the packaging. So it's not as if this never existed before. It's just that the U.S. has been pretty slow to get on it. Some of these companies are already having to do that in other countries.